Greetings, big up, Wagwan Jamaica. My name is Marcia Butler. I love many things about my country. The food, the music, not to mention our Jamaican dialect. But most of all, I love my son who is gay and a member of the LGBT community. I love my son so much that I have become an advocate for the LGBT community. One day, I hope Jamaica will love my son as much as I do. So love up Jamaica.
Mwah. Love up Jamaica.